Earned value management is a powerful accounting principle developed specifically for project management. Within project cost management, we've covered several planning processes. In this lesson, we take a deep dive on a monitor and control process. Control costs includes earned value management. Earned value is often considered one of the most difficult topics on the exam. We'll walk through it slowly, and soon you'll be able to answer the exam questions and put it to use on your own project. Earned value includes many terms and formulas. Everything is based on three concepts: planned value, earned value, and actual cost. A simple example will get us started. Project manager hired 2 students for a simple summer painting project. These 2 students will paint this 100-foot-long wall on the outside of a warehouse. They have agreed that the students will get this job done in 10 days and that it will take them 100 hours. The planned value is the amount that we plan to spend. Another way to think of planned value is planned cost. After 5 days, project manager checks in and finds that the students have painted 60 feet. They report they have worked 40 hours in the first 5 days. Actual cost is exactly what it says it is: the actual cost to perform the work so far. We calculate earned value by assessing the percent complete of the total work. In this case, it is 60% complete. Multiply the planned value times the percent complete, and that is the earned value. These students have accomplished 60 hours worth of work. Can you see that they are on track to be finished ahead of schedule and under the planned cost? In the next lesson, we'll show you how to compute just how early and how far under the cost baseline they'll be. For now, let's put these students on another project. This project is only 5 days long and broken into 10 activities. Each activity should take $100 worth of labor. This is the plan. The total plan value is $1,000. After 3 days, project manager stops by to check in on things. So far, project manager expects to have $600 of work performed. That is the day 3 planned value. Students report their progress on every task. 6 activities are complete and 1 is 50% done. They have accomplished $650 worth of work. So the next question project manager asks is, how much did it cost so far? The team has recorded their cost per activity for a total of $690. So how are they doing? After 3 days, we have this information. The totals we have give us schedule and cost performance summaries. For schedule performance, compare the earned value and planned value. In this case, the earned value is more than the planned value. In other words, the students accomplished more than expected in the first 3 days. They are ahead of schedule. For cost performance, compare the actual cost to the earned value. After 3 days, the actual cost is larger than the earned value. In other words, they spent more than what they had accomplished. So far, they are overrunning the cost baseline. Know that as you study earned value terminology, you'll encounter some terms that mean exactly the same things as PV, EV, and AC. Starting with planned value, or PV, This synonymous term is BCWS, budgeted cost of the work scheduled. Think of it as the amount we had planned to spend on the work we scheduled. For earned value, or EV, you will see BCWP, budgeted cost of the work performed, the amount we had planned to spend on the work we actually accomplished. For actual cost, AC, you will see ACWP, actual cost of the work performed, the amount we actually spent on the work we actually accomplished. Most organizations standardize on one set of terms. As you prepare for the exam, you need to know PV, EV, and AC. In this introductory lesson to earned value management, you learned the 3 key concepts that form the foundation of earned value management. You can see from this simple example that we can roll up the detailed status of individual activities and compare them to determine overall cost and schedule performance. In our next lesson, you will learn the formulas that make our status more precise and more meaningful.